Shweta Tiwari and Abhinav Kohli. मेरे डैड की दुल्हन एक्ट्रेस श्वेता तिवारी and her estranged husband Abhinav Kohli have been hitting the headlines for quite some time now. Recently, the actress tested positive for COVID-19. She sent her son Reyansh Kohli to live with Abhinav for a few days. In an interview, Kohli accused Shweta of taking their son to an undisclosed location and said that he is missing since Sunday. After accusing Tiwari, Abhinav Kohli said that the actress used her daughter Palak Tiwari to get rid of him. While speaking to ET Times TV, Abhinav Kohli shared what he feels like when he thinks of the case that Shweta Tiwari and her daughter Palak filed against him. He said, "Whenever I think of the case that Palak and Shweta have filed against me, the only thing that comes to my mind is Chi." Talking about Palak, he continued, "I have raised her. I looked after her when Shweta went to the Big Boss house. When she was doing Is Jungle Se Mujhe Bachao, I was there. When she was shooting for Parvarish, I brought up the girl. Getting Palak admitted to Singapore International School. Shweta wanted to send her to a boarding school. I told her to not send her. I told her if our baby Palak goes away, the house will be empty." Talking about the FIR filed against him, Abhinav Kohli said that the case was lodged only to put him behind the bars. He also added, "And one day after the arrest, Shweta threatens me that now see how I get divorced from you. In fact, 1 month before the incident, Shweta had warned me, you wait and see how I bring my daughter in front and get the divorce. Palak's career was going to start and she used her daughter to get rid of me. She had warned me, but I did not pay attention to it." As Kohli went to defend himself, he said that as Palak's career was going to start, Shweta used her daughter to get rid of him. He also said that they framed him and made the FIR in a way that it fits in the section 354A. Meanwhile, during the interview, Abhinav Kohli also questioned why Tiwari has not filed a divorce case until now, if he is so bad and evil. Apart from that, Abhinav also revealed that Palak and her nanny refused to take care of Reyansh when Shweta tested positive for COVID-19, and it was he and his mother who took good care of him. He mentioned that Shweta sent Reyansh to him as no one at her house was ready to take care of him. What are your views on the matter? Hit the comment section below and let us know. Stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the interesting updates from the entertainment world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.